Oh my god, look at that thing float.
I just want to see it go crazy.
Oh! Well, that certainly didn't end well. Oh!
Oh god, go. Go over there and find out what he's up to.
Oh, whoa!
That's what you get for messing with a truck.
I ask you to open the door, sir.
Officer, are you okay? Officer?
Hello, can you please open the door, sir?
Officer? I don't
Hello?
know. After you
I
said
can't
you
get
were
in.
gonna kill me, I don't know if I really want to
Service
open the
not popping
door.
up for me. Plus, I'm only getting.
Think of it this way, you'll be just like Harry Potter. How's that sound? Think of it this way, officer. You'll be
See you on there.
you'll
I know
be
you're on the other
just
side of the door, sir.
you'll be just like Harry Potter. I mean, you said you were gonna kill me. I don't really know if I want to open the door. You're scaring me. You said
you were gonna kill me.
I don't really know if I want to open the door. Okay, I'm gonna open the door, Harry Potter. It's time for your owl visit. Okay, I'm gonna open the door. And he fucking tased me. Oh, Harry Potter. And he fucking tased me. That's a bad Harry
Why
Potter.
did you trust him?
It's a bad Harry Potter. No! That's a bad Harry Potter. That's a bad Harry Potter. No! Look at that. Carlos killed himself for no reason. Ain't that a bitch?
What kind of crime would you call that, locking an officer in a house?
You call that false imprisonment or kidnapping? Whichever you choose. Fancier words work better.
Kidnapping. Yeah, Carlos, watch the stairs for me. Watch downstairs.
Fancier words work better. Hey, I love you, Harry Potter.
Oh my god.
I fucking love you.
Out of ammo.
You're being charged $6,000
That sounds
if
awesome.
you refuse to pay the ticket 3 times. You'll be put to jail.
What'd he say?
Can you still be my Harry Potter? Can you still be my Potter? Come on, bro.
Why are we whispering?
Come on, bro. It'll be fun to be Harry Potter.
Yes, sir.
Think of all the fun adventures you could have.
Now, sir, you have a lot of illegal weapons in your home.
Oh, not my house. You better check the owner.
Tell him we can live. Tell him that. Tell him that you guys can live in a pineapple under the sea.
Man, we like SpongeBob. He
Sure.
said we can live in a pineapple under the sea and shit. This motherfucker's crazy. I don't know what to do. We can live in a pineapple under the sea and shit. This motherfucker's crazy. I don't know what to
See, I'm going to ask you to stay out of this
My
house.
name is
To
Pineapple.
stay out of my... but where am I gonna
Who make
go?
fun of me for?
Pineapple may
You're
have
gonna live in the street.
Pineapple may have kidnapped me and such, but that's the only home I got. And you gonna take it away from me? I see
This
how
is
it
the area,
is.
sir. This
I've
is a crime
never
scene.
done that.
I see how it is. I see how it is, officers. Y'all done this to me. Y'all done this to me.
Carlos.